Hi, this is Neuron. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are going to upgrade RAM, SSD, and Wi-Fi card. First, let's check how many slots we have, followed by how much RAM we have and what's the max capacity. First, go to your search bar and type command prompt. Open the app and type the following command to check how many slots we have. As you can see, we have 2 slots. Now let's check the RAM capacity we currently have by typing the following command. I will write all the commands in the description. The value is in kilobytes, so divide it with 1024 3 times, and that should be your current RAM capacity. My keyboard is choppy as I'm using this laptop after many years. I'm going to blow dry the keyboard later. When I take it out, that should fix the problem. In our case, it is 4 gigabytes. Now let's check what is the maximum RAM capacity we can upgrade for this laptop. Type the following command and divide the value with 1024 2 times, as the value is in megabytes. So, as you can see, we can upgrade our RAM until 32 gigabytes, so let's get into the video and see the specs I'm going to upgrade this laptop. First, take of the battery so that we don't short anything. For me, the battery is removable. In your case, you might have to open the panel. Then take the keyboard panel out gently with a plastic tool. Unplug the keyboard panel and the disk driver. And then unscrew the screw under the keyboard panel, which is holding the back panel. Unscrew the rest back panel screws and open the panel gently with the help of plastic tool. Make sure you don't break the brackets. Unscrew and replace the old driver. Note that I had cloned my driver off the camera. I will put the link in the description for the app I used to clone my driver. I had simply connected the new driver with SATA cable. Then simply press the clips holding the RAM and replace the RAM. Now let's change the Wi-Fi card. We have to just unscrew and unplug the 2-wire and replace with the new card. Note the white wire has to go to the marked white slot on the card, and as so for the black wire. As I have already opened the laptop, I will also change the thermal paste. I will add all the links for the products that I have used in the description. Wipe all of the thermal paste and add a dot of new paste in the middle. Now put back everything and let's see if the laptop boots up. Just a note, you might have to download the new drivers for the Wi-Fi card. It's better to download first before you open the laptop. In my case, I had a LAN internet connection, so I downloaded it later. The moment of truth. Fingers crossed. Yes, it works. This was my first time opening a laptop and upgrading it. Please like and subscribe. Share the video. Thank you for watching. See you in another video.